The Ministry of Agriculture is utilizing drone technology as part of its ongoing thrust to improve efficiency in the sector, which is being funded by the Food and Agriculture Organization. Minister of Agriculture Boto Caesar said the program is geared at enhancing data collection, which is vital in building a robust agriculture sector. Marine ecologist, commercial drone pilot and trainer for sessions Dr. Kimberly Baldwin said the training is extensive and comprises practical activities throughout different areas of the country.
So it was amazing. The first day we just did a training mapping mission. We went down to Arnisville, the old runway, and we just practiced and did some more flight skills and practiced, learned the map there. And then the next day we went, guns blazing, we went down to the South Coast and we mapped all through the South Coast Marine Conservation Area. We mapped Blue Lagoon, Caliqua, the whole fisheries, the Coast Guard base, and then we even went down, and by the afternoon, the rest of the team had mapped all of Young Island, the fort, all the way to Villa Beach. So we did pretty good. That was the second day. Then the third day, we switched over to agriculture, and we went up to Maspo, to Montreal Gardens. And the team that day, again, during training missions, this was the first time we'd done more rugged terrain. So the coastal area's got its own challenges because you're by the sea. But when you get up in the mountains and you start mapping farmlands and forests up in the hills with the fog was coming in, it's treacherous. And the team successfully mapped over 200 acres just that first day.
Dr. Kimberly Baldwin, commercial drone pilot and trainer. Meanwhile, Minister of Agriculture Boto Caesar said the program is geared at enhancing data collection, which is vital in building a robust agriculture sector.
There was an intense period of training, both indoors and outdoors, and this is all part and parcel of a program to enhance data collection. It's very important as we build a robust agriculture sector that we build it not only from a qualitative assessment of the sector, but also we have to do a quantitative analysis. And without good data, we will not be able to do that work. Over the last week, we were able to go into some ecological zones and do some zonal mapping. The idea is that by the end of 2023, we will now have a marriage in the Department of Extension Services so that we can enhance the drone technology available to the department. This means that we will have persons who will be trained not only as pilots, but persons also to analyze the data. And this definitely will enhance the preparations for the budget, assistance to farmers, and also bring greater technology to the Extension Services Department.
Minister of Agriculture Boto Caesar. The drone training is scheduled to end in October. Stay tuned for the special report brought to you in association with the National Development Foundation.